We believe every journey should be as remarkable as its destination. For over 60 years, we have delivered floor-to-ceiling solutions that go beyond beauty. They set the standard for comfort, safety, and innovation. We are a global leader in decorative interior products for aviation and rail, trusted by the world's top airlines. From design vision to final installation, we deliver with precision through tailored manufacturing and a deep commitment to sustainability. We create interiors that are both exquisite and environmentally responsible because true luxury honors people and the planet. Our work isn't just about materials or technology, it's about partnerships. At Schneller, quality, innovation, and elegance come together to redefine travel.